Hello gamers! Today I am going to teach you how to make a, wait for it, bamboo or sugarcane farm. Okay, so this was from last time. You see, I've changed my skin, lol. Okay, so now I need to go into settings and set it back to creative mode. This is my test world, and okay, so here you need a block of choice. You also need bamboo or sugar canes. In this case, I'm teaching you how to make a sugarcane farm, because there's a slightly bit of an add-on to it. I'll tell you that later. You need water if you're doing a sugarcane farm. You need observers. You need pistons. Oh yeah, just saying. This wasn't mine. This idea was the original creation was by Zumavoid, who is a Minecrafter who is much better than me, and you should really go check him out. Okay, so you also need a hopper. I almost forgot. Sorry. And that's about it. Okay, so you place a barrel or your chest here. Take your hopper. Now, oh yeah, you also need a hopper minecart, and you also need rails. Okay, so now I have to put down your hopper. You put two blocks there. You'll be removing them later. And then remove one, remove that. Removing the rail is optional, you don't have to do it. And now I'll just secure I'm just gonna secure the minecart like this. Okay, so now we all, and don't forget, now that we don't need these, we can bring them over there. Now we need some dirt. Tell you why later. And now it's pretty obvious why. All you have to do is put that there, and you also need redstone now that we have more inventory space. Okay, so redstone. So put some blocks there. Now put a piston there. Make sure it's facing this direction. And now for this part you need to put some water in here if you're doing a sugar cane farm. So I just put water in there. And now I'll put this observer here. No, you're supposed to put it so the face is here, so you can see me like that. So it sits over here. I think you know where I'm going here with this. Now this is very important. You need to put a block here and a redstone here, so it goes into this piston. Because this is where the redstone signal goes, so it goes here into this piston. If you don't have that, then the whole thing will fail, and you would probably not be very, very happy. Because nobody likes failing, right? Okay, so now, I these blocks are just optional. I like to put them there since, they don't look very good without them. So I'll just surround this. The sugarcane will grow eventually. You're basically done now. All you need to do is make sure that there's a block here. And now, for example, if you have it, no. Actually, you need, this is optional. You don't have to cover it up, but, for me, I would recommend it. I would recommend putting carpets, taking some carpets. I like black carpets the best. And that's all you have to do, really. So now, if you stack it up here, it'll get pushed, and then that's why I would recommend not. That's why I would recommend putting carpet there. Usually, some of it will go out, so you would also have to do this. And after decorating, you should have a pretty decent farm. Of course, you can make it as big as you want. This is just a small version. So it's not particularly going to be very good. It takes up not a lot of space, but some space in here. But as you can see, you can actually get sugar canes from this thing. That was from my demonstration. If you just wait a little bit more, you would eventually see it. Okay, so this is basically it. This is how to make a super small bamboo or sugarcane farm. So that's it, and I'm out. Make sure to smash that like button down below, and make sure to subscribe, and goodbye.